Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AI text to video in Filmora. So yes, in Filmora we have a feature that lets you create a video by just inserting a simple video script, and AI will decide the pictures, it will create a narration and also background music based on the script that you have provided. But anyway, it is also possible to just prepare the topic without even a script, because again, Filmora has AI that lets you generate a script from a simple topic. Now, let's launch Filmora, and you have to navigate to the startup screen. So in this case, I already opened Filmora, so I guess I have to go back to the startup screen. I'm going to click the file menu and then click return to startup window. And then here, you have to navigate to AI text to video right here. And you can write the script of the video. If you don't have any script, you can click on this button that says generate by AI, and I'm going to select the text that I'm going to create. That video is going to be, let's say, informative or explanatory article, and the topic is going to be fun facts about, let's say, Labrador Retriever. And you can write more details, like let's say I want to include at least 3 good things about that dog breed. And after that, you can click generate text. So this action will generate the script or the concept of the video, which later can be used by another tool in Filmora to create a video. Now the script is here, and you can actually move on with the other settings. The language is going to be English US. You can also select the audio, which is text to speech basically. Let's try using Amanda. And video ratio is between 16:9 or 9:16, so horizontal or vertical. And after that, when you're done with all the settings and also the prompt, just click this button, text to video, and just wait for Filmora to do everything from creating the video, finding the assets, and also creating the narration for the video. You just need to wait until it is finished. Alright, after about 5 to 10 minutes, I got this result. Now it's asking me, how do you like the video generated from text? I don't know, I haven't played this, so I'm going to play this video and see whether or not I'm happy with the result.
Labrador Retrievers are one of the most popular dog breeds in the United States for many reasons. They are known for their friendly and outgoing personalities, making them excellent family pets. Their intelligence and trainability also make them ideal for activities.
Okay, there are a few instances where they are using different pictures or videos that are not related to the topic. So this is the problem of using AI to create a video. I think it is using a keyword to find videos that, let's say, contains the word that might be relevant to the video, but it's not exactly the kind of picture that you want to use, especially for this topic where I'm talking about the dog breed. So you can see that there are so many stock photos, stock footage that are not related to the topic. Sometimes it is on point, but most of the times they are not really related. So I think you still have to manually edit the pictures, edit all the content that was created by this AI tool. But for the first initial draft, I would say this could be quite useful, especially if you're just trying to post a short, simple video for your page or for your social media account. So that's basically how you can create a video using text to video feature on Filmora AI. Not perfect, but at least useful for the first initial draft. So if you find this tutorial to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.